going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Um, my name is Andre. I am a swing trader. I would like to introduce myself a little bit today. This is my very first video here on YouTube. Um, and the reason I started to do this YouTube channel is because I from time to time do day trades, but I have been always been very interested in doing swing trades, especially if you're somebody that does not have a lot of free time on your hands, or you work a full-time job and it does not allow you to stay in front of your computer looking at charts all day and just waiting for gaps up and gaps down so you can do day trades. So I find that swing trading is something that you don't have to be 100% 24/7, or at least while the market is open, looking at charts and trying to figure out when it's a good time to enter and when it's a good time to sell. I hope that this video does help you guys a little bit. I've been looking through some other YouTube channels. I have not been able to find some really good channels that have solid information on swing trading, or how you can start, or what you need to look for. So the way I prefer to do it is I like to look at these technical analysis and looking for solid companies that have been around for so long, that do some major pullbacks and allows you to give a nice little percentage to the upside when they fall a little bit. So one good example that I'm looking to do a nice little swing trade is on Johnson and Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. Right now, it's been at 151.46 dollars per share. As you can see, the reason why it intrigues me so well is because I've been looking at it ever since it broke below this EMA over here, and it started a nice little downtrend, and it's been below it ever since. Recently, we started to see a nice little consolidation right here in this area. So it is consolidating in between the EMA. So it's why I'm looking at it right now is because if it continues to break above this, continues to trade above this EMA, and possibly makes a nice little move up to the 152.50, that it kind of starts to show me that it's going to be a nice little uptrend to the upside. I am looking to start a nice little position. Obviously not to go 100% in with the account, but maybe with like a 1% of my account holdings. And as it continues to move up a little bit, continue to add maybe around here to 154, with another maybe 2% to 5%, and just kind of hold it there. I am once I continue to see this uptrend, my goal is to possibly exit some of my shares over here at the 159, $160 shares, only because as you can see, the simple moving average, this is this light blue line right here. As you can see on these on the past times behind it, you can see that it has not been able to break it. It did break once in here at earnings because it was such a really good earnings, so he just ended up shooting up. He came back down, retested the EMA, and then it pushed back up, and then it just once it started reaching this nice little resistance right here at 174, it just began to sell off, and it's been selling off ever since. So as you can see, it would be a safer play to maybe lock in some of my shares, some of the positions over here at 159, 160. Obviously, I wouldn't lock 100%, but at least a good either 50% to maybe 60% of the shares that I have been purchased, and then possibly give it a little bit of a wiggle room to see if it continues to push. Then I would possibly exit 100% either here at 166 or at 165, because as you can see, 166, 165 has been a very strong resistance on this is oh, by the way, this is the 1 year 1 day chart. So as you can see, it's been a really strong resistance right here at the 166, 165 price target, right? So it would make sense for us to either exit 100% here, or just take off some of the shares. And it doesn't mean that you can't. It doesn't mean that Johnson and Johnson cannot break this little resistance is continue to make some uptrends, either all the way up here to the 174, or even possibly break the all-time highs on the year to the 180s. But just to keep it safe, play it safe. It is a nice little percentage up. If you say, for example, start getting over here at the 152, say maybe 153, it does shows you a nice little 8.5% gains on whatever shares that we have from that from here the 153 to where I'm possibly will exit either 50% or 60% of the position I'll be holding. It's still a nice little 4% on the upside, and just to add another 4% to the 166 if it breaks. If it doesn't break um, the uh, the simple moving average, and it continues to either consolidate and start showing some size of descending pattern, then we'll completely lock in any other shares that we have holding. Because as you can see right here, there is a nice little support at the 158. So if she pulls back and it breaks the 158 support, most likely it will come all the way back down to the 152. So we don't want to wait that and then possibly exit everything else. So thank you so much, guys. Please feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new here. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody that likes to is being very interested in the stock market for the past couple of years. I've been doing some sig trades and it's been working out very well. This little strategy. So feel free to take a look at it. Do your own research. Do your own technical analysis. If you're somebody that's interested in swing trading and you just don't have a lot of time for you to put into the stock market as a day trader, or even if you're somebody that is a long-term buy and hold. Say, for example, if you are a a dividend investor, Johnson and Johnson is an amazing company that has been around for many years. They continue to raise their dividends year over year. Right now, they're paying at $1.19 per share that you hold every 3 months on a quarterly basis. So even if it's something that doesn't work out as a swing trade, you can always hold Johnson and Johnson for a while. Um, and because it will come back to all-time highs at one time. But a swing trade is just something that you want to hold them maybe like a week, or less than a month. So that way you can make a little bit of money, either for you to put back onto some other stocks that you love, or for you to have the money just so you can, buy something else, go on vacation, do whatever you like to do with the money that you make. So it's basically like another job, right? It's a side hustle. So anyways, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. This is my very first video on this channel, guys. I just wanted to start this because, as again, what I have not been able to see a lot of channels out there that do swing trades. And then I hope that this kind of helps you if you're somebody that's interested in starting in, or it's interested in the stock market. There's so much to do out there as far as the stock market itself, from day trading to swing trading to buy and hold to dividend investors to it's just a lot. But I hope that this video does help you a little bit, and thank you so much for taking a little bit of your time and watching the video. I will keep you posted on a second video once I start opening a position, and then we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a good time investing your money in the stock market, because I do think it's something that is really good for everybody that should do, especially if you're early, and if you're a younger person too. It's always good to start investing, so that way the money that you put in works for you instead of you working for your money. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.